This is my air fryer. I've had it for a couple years, and I'm gonna make chicken wings in the air fryer. I've done this a couple times. These are chicken wings. This is Kirkland. I think that's Sam's Club, right? Or is it Costco? Either way, I got 2 packages. I'm not gonna season them or anything. Just stick them in the air fryer, kind of spread them out. I'm gonna have to double layer them, and then halfway through the cooking time, I will rotate them. Here we go. And I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. And let's see, chicken, no. I'm still getting used to my air fryer. Let's try that again. Chicken, what does it say? 15 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna take a little longer than that. At 370. I think I've done it before, and I think it normally takes like 25 minutes, but that's why I'm doing this video, so I can remember how it works. And then I'm making hot wings. I will toss it in my favorite hot sauce after they are done cooking. If you've never used an air fryer, I store it over here, but don't leave it against the wall when you're using it, because it gets very hot back here, like there's hot air blowing. And the basket gets pretty hot too, if you weren't aware of that. So I definitely like to have it in like an open area when I'm cooking with it, and then once it cools down, I put it back over here in this corner. And then cat supervisor, always got a cat supervisor. This is the wing sauce I use. Syberg's is a St. Louis restaurant chain. There used to just be one, but I think they have 3 or 4 locations now. I love it. If you're ever in the St. Louis area, I definitely recommend visiting one of their locations. It's like bar food, but they have like shark bites and different seafood stuff, but then they also have cheeseburgers and hot wings, just, you know, typical bar menu, except like I think the shark bites is kind of unique, and they're pretty good. So, but their wings are really, really good, and you can buy the wing sauce in like Schnucks or Dierberg's, which are both St. Louis area grocery chains. This is after 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna flip them all over and then put them in for like the timer again for another 15 minutes, but I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna look at it every 5 minutes because I don't want to burn them, but I definitely want them cooked all the way. They smell so good. All right, let me finish flipping them. Oh, why does it say 40 minutes now? But earlier it only said 15. Oh, sorry, I also have something in the oven. So we had to hear 2 timers. There. All right, this is after 30 minutes. What do you think, Robert? 5 more are done because they're getting kind of crispy.
They're looking pretty good.
Ready or 5 more minutes?
Well, I mean, you know, I'd like this to be a little browner. But we're there. I mean, we can pull out some of them and then cook those a little bit.
Yeah,
better.
we're going to pull out the smaller wings because we don't want them to get burnt. These we're just going to cook for 2 more minutes, and you know, I kind of overstuffed it, so I'm not surprised that they still need a little more. This, believe it or not, really is 2 pounds worth of chicken wings, so it took 34 minutes to cook all together. Yes, this looks gross. I could use a liner. I don't, because I don't think it gets proper airflow with the liner. Soak it for 10 minutes. It'll be fine. I clean it all the time. So I'm just gonna pour like half this bottle. I'm not using the whole bottle. Maybe.
Want some help?
I want, here, you squeeze it for me. We don't want too much sauce. Just enough to coat them. And oh, he's gonna shake it. Thank you, honey. He's much better at this than I am. So yeah, Syberg sauce, if you can get it. It really is the best.
It's only the same thing, so never know.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
A little more, is that enough?
No, I think that's plenty. I don't
think it
want to.
is
I don't
too.
want to over sauce it.
Yep.
There we go. And then I also got ranch dressing because I also need ranch dressing for it. Robert likes blue cheese. I'm not a blue cheese fan. Quick taste test.
Whoa.
Oh. Who is that? This is what we deal with. Always being watched. Right, taste test. I really are good in the air fryer. So good.